Alright, so here it is, my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. This is $191.16 for the goods. As all said and done, I had an overage moneymaker of $22.08. And as always, that total includes the tax. So we got to keep it real on our coupon boast here, real accurate. This is week of June 30th to July 6th, or June 29th to July 5th if you live up north out of the state of Florida. So today is the first day of the sale. Today is Thursday, June 30th. I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel. Let's get these deals right off and do them right away. So some of these deals will go away. Sometimes the coupon will expire. Like in some of these cases, I'm sorry, but some of these coupons, it seems like every coupon expired today. Not everyone, but almost half of them did expire today. And I'm sorry about that. I can't really help that. But, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. It really helps me out. Let me get into the 17 or so, maybe 15 or so best deals of this week. So we'll start right here. Vanity Fair napkins. These are BOGO this week. They're $2.99. So for two of them would cost $6.43. As I mentioned, they're BOGO, so you pay half that. You pay $3.22. And there is a manufacturer printable coupon for $1.50 off of 2 packs. And as always, I got a detailed breakdown as well as a link to print the coupons below in the details section. There's also a store coupon that was at the register a couple weeks back for a donation. So I used one of those $1.50 off 2 coupons, and I used 2 of the store coupons. Gave me $3.22 paid for the napkins, $1.50 back from the manufacturer coupon, $2 from the store coupon. Made me a 28-cent overage on that. All right, Roth cheese. Where we go? Here we go. So these are on sale actually this week, $5.99. So they're on sale for $4.99. And I got a manufacturer printable coupon for $5 off of 1. Of course, expires today, so I had to do this deal today, the last day of the sale. So that they're on sale for $4.99, so it was free or 1 cent moneymaker. All right, Royal Rice. I did this last week, and if you can find the garlic and cheese, and there's a couple other ones. They were on sale last week. They're not on sale this week, unfortunately, but it's $2.19. There is a 50-cent Publix digital coupon that takes 50 cents off. ibotta has a $1 rebate back, and I also had a dollar or 25-cent ibotta any item rebate, making that only 44 cents. Mountain Dew Rise. I did this deal last week, and I did it again. Hopefully, you can find these hang tags for the product. It's a free can of Mountain Dew energy drink with the purchase of a Mountain Dew energy, up to $3.50 value. So these are actually $1.75. The regular price for them are $3 each. So for 4 of them with tax, $12.90. However, they're on sale for $1.75 each. So for 4 of them would be $7.53. And there is a buy 2 get 1 free Publix digital coupon that took $1.75 off. And the hang tags, as I said, buy 1 get 1 free. So it depends on the cashier. So I had a nice cashier. She just scanned it, and it takes $3.50 off. So I used 2 of those, $3.50 off. So I paid $7.53. I got $3.50 off twice, so that was $7 off. And the buy 2 get 1 free Publix digital coupon took $1.75 off. So I made those 4 cans $1.22 overage. And as always, I was working up to something. Today, I was working up to this $10 off my groceries from the Extra Savings book. It does expire tomorrow, July 1st. So I like this one, the Burger King or Dave & Buster's, take my son there or whatever. And the thing about this is you can actually use the Burger King app and type this in as a Visa card, and even get more deals. Whopper Wednesday, they have Whoppers for $2 or $1 sometimes, so always comes in handy. I mean, it expires in like 8 years, so I'll use that. I think that's when it expires, but I always use those. All right, keep it going. Come on, Emma Swiss cheese. Oh man, this is a good one here. $5.49 for these. So for 8 of them, it costs $43.92. And they're on sale for $3.99, and this one is on sale for $4.99. So I maxed out. I got as many as I could. There was only one on the shelf. I had them look in the back. They took out much more, and I was able to get 8 of them. It was a different store, so it was a different transaction. One of them I got 1 at one store, and I got 7 at another store, or 7 at another store, something like that. Anyways, the regular price for these guys, for all this cheese, would be $43.92. However, as I said, they're $1 off, so $31.92. And I used 8 of these. Sorry, 8 of these manufacturer printable coupon. I'm so sorry. It does expire today, so hopefully you can use it. Don't get mad at me. Hey, still try to use it. Say you don't know what day it is. If you use it tomorrow, hey, I got the link to print that. Or, self checkout might work. Use your best judgment. Anyways, so $31.92 paid for 8 of these cheeses. I used 8 of the $5 off coupon. Made me an $8.08 overage right here. Kind of did it on this transaction here. I mean, 52. And what I'm going to say here is just know their coupon policy. Because I went to customer service with this, because I know I'm going to get over, they're going to call someone over anyway. I go to customer service. The girl at customer service rings in like 6 of them, and she's like, oh, the 7th one, I can't take this because I'm going to owe you money. So no, yes you can. You take that, and any overage you put on a gift card. And then she talked to her other customer service worker, and they said, yeah, we can take that, but I'm going to owe him money. No, that's the way it works. I mean, I should have told her to watch my videos. You're going to owe me money. Anyways, if I didn't know the coupon policy and I said, oh, okay, all right, well, thank you. But no, wrong customer. Yeah, the wrong customer up there. So anyways, regardless, I'm blabbing. $8.08 overage on 8 of those cheeses. All right, keep it going. Lightlife Smart Dogs. So actually, they've changed the packaging. So there was only one of these on the shelf. I talked to them. We can't find any. They scan it. Oh, there's supposed to be 8 bags. They found me another one. Thank you. So anyways, these are regularly $4.49. So for 2 of them, would cost you $8.98. They're on sale 2 for $6. So you get 2 of them for $6 or $3 each. No tax on these. Manufacturer printable for $1 off. I got the link to print that below. There is also $1 ibotta rebate on each one. There's $1 ibotta bonus on 2 Lightlife products, so you might get that. I've already got it, so I won't count this transaction. Coupons.com has $1 back on the Coupons.com app, so made that only $1, or could be free if you have the ibotta bonus. All right, Almond Breeze, extra creamy. You gotta get the extra creamy milk because I got the regular one. And they said, oh, the coupon's for only extra creamy. I ended up going back and getting the extra creamy. So regular price $3.83, $1 off with the manufacturer printable coupon. Got the link to print that below. And then there is a 50-cent ibotta rebate, and now there is a free milk. So I haven't looked into it. Actually, I haven't gotten that yet, but I'm confident I will get that. I've got to look up that, and I got the link for that below, and hopefully that'll work. So that took another $3.83 off. Made that $1.50 overage on that. All right, keep it going. What do we got next? The Compeed blister removal. This is regular price $9.99. No tax on this health item, but it's on sale for $8.68. There is a $5 off manufacturer coupon from the Save June 19th, so that's $5 off of your $8.68, and there is an ibotta rebate for $4 back, so that gave me a 31-cent overage on that. All right, keep going. You buy Kotex pads, $3.35. It's harder to find these things, but I did find them at this store, so I'm like, oh, I'm getting these. So $3.35. So for 2 of them, regular price $6.70. No tax on these either. There's a $4 coupon from this week's Smart Source. Would be June 26th. Took $4 off. Fetch has 1,500 points on 2 of them, and it actually gave me 1,000 points on 2 of them as well. There's 2 Fetch. I didn't know if both of them would go through. Actually, they did not go through I submitted a claim or whatever, and they put it through for both of them. So I was happy to get that. So that made that only 20 cents for both of those. And as always, got $10 off my total because that helps me reach my 50. I was way over 50. All right, Splenda liquid sweeteners. All right, these are regular. I've gotten these before. They're $4.19 each. So I got 8 of them. I probably could have got 16 of them if I had the coupons. Unfortunately, I only had 4 coupons. So you'll do better than me on this. $33.52 for 8 of them. They're BOGO this week, so half that, $16.76. There is a manufacturer coupon. It expires today. Seems like every coupon expired today. It's from the Save April 10th, if you still got those laying around. So that took $4 off. And I used 4 of them, so I took $16 off, made it those only 76 cents for all 8 of them. All right, Beyond Meat, $5.89 for these guys. So for 2 of them, would cost you $11.78. However, they're BOGO this week, so you get 2 for $5.89. There's a manufacturer printable coupon for $2 off. Another one so I used 2 of those, $2 off, and of course that coupon expired today. I don't have it up here, but that coupon expired today. As I said, worth a try. You can try it or go to self-checkout. Use your best judgment. Anyways, it'll scan. Well, it should scan. I can't promise anything. So $5.89, $2. I used 2 of the $2 off coupons, and then I submitted to Merrifield. Got me another 60 cents back on them. So I got about $1.29 for both of those. Colgate Max Fresh. These are regularly $4.11. I mean, they keep going up in price. They were $3.69, then they went to $3.99. Now $4.11. I mean, $4.11. What kind of price is that? Never seen that before. But $4.11. So for 4 of them with tax, would cost you $17.67. However, they're BOGO, so you pay half that. You pay $8.85. There is a manufacturer printable from the website for 75 cents off each box. So you print out 2 of those. I got the link to print that below. There's also a Publix digital coupon for $3 off of 2. So that took $3 more off. There's coupons.com has $3 off of 2. I tried it. It did not work. So hopefully you can get that to go, and you'll do better than me on that. But for some reason it did not say the barcode is met. All right. But there is a store coupon from a cardboard display. So this is $4 off of participating Colgate Palmolive products and Colgate toothpaste. Max Fresh right there, the second one. So we used one of those. Got another $4 off. Now, write me a comment, and I can see if I can get one of these to you. They're definitely not at every store. They're hard to find. Hopefully I can go back to that store I got them last week and find them. I knew they would come in handy for my past couponing experiences. So I grabbed a couple of them. So hopefully I can maybe get more. So anyways, $8.85 for these 4 boxes. $1.50 back from the 2 printable coupons. $4 back from the store coupon. $3 back from the Publix digital coupon, and hopefully you can get another $3 back from. I did not, so I'm gonna count that, but it cost me only 35 cents for those. All right, AZO urinary pain relief. So gosh, I hope you don't need these, but well, if you do, they're regular price $5.58 for 2 of them, $11.16. Manufacturer printable from coupons.com website takes $5 off of each one, so I used 2 of those. That was $10 off. And that made these only $1.16. And as always, everything adds up to your $50 threshold. All right, keep it going. Last deal. Here we go. Stem. Oh, I love this deal. This was a happy one. This is a great one. Stem multi-insect. So these are regularly $7.49, and they're regular price. So $7.49 plus times 2 plus tax for 2 of them costs $16.10. There is a buy one get one free manufacturer coupon hiding right there from the Smart Sourced June 26th. So I used one of those. And then there is a Publix digital coupon, $6.99 off of 2 Publix digital coupons. So I put that in at the end. That came off. And then Ibotta has $6.99 off of 2 Ibotta rebate. So $16.10 spent for these. She just scanned it. It took $8 off. Should have took $7.49. But my situation, got $8 back. So 16.10 spent, $8 from the manufacturer coupon, $6.99 off from the Publix digital coupon, and $6.99 from ibotta rebate. Made those $5.88 overage. All right, and my last deal, of course, was, since I was spending so much, I wanted to get this happy gift card. And so that took another $10 off. So once again, $191.16 worth of goods, $22.08 overage moneymaker this week. So once again, please subscribe to the funny looking guy right here. More paid to shop cool videos there. I'm trying every week to upload a video. Some other videos I'll post won't be couponing videos, but I'll throw some other good videos in there. Once again, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and enjoy your couponing this week.